Today, we're going to take a look at reimbursements within Ramp syncing over to Sage 100 via the Anyware Apps integration. Let's get started. So we're going to start here in Ramp, and we're going to go immediately into Accounting. From Accounting, Reimbursements. We see here that there is one reimbursement that needs to be reviewed for $850. We're going to click on that. We're going to ensure the accounting category is filled out. And then we're going to just check everything else and then mark Ready for Sync. If we go back, now we should be able to see it within the Ready to Sync section of reimbursements. Down here at the bottom, we can see the $850 reimbursement. Let's go ahead and go to Sage 100, then General Ledger, and Transaction Journal Entry. From here, we'll start the manual Ramp sync. It's important to note that within your environment, this will be set up to be done automatically on a scheduled basis. But if you need it done immediately, there's the manual option. So here, we're going to grab the newest batch that was just synced over. And we see the reimbursement for travel for the correct amount. So back in Ramp, we're going to refresh the Ready to Sync page. And we see that that reimbursement has disappeared off the Ready to Sync section. So let's go ahead and go over to Expenses and Reimbursements here. And we're going to go to History. We're going to scroll down. And here we are. We see a paid reimbursement for $850. And here we also see the status that it is synced to accounting. Awesome. Thank you very much.